Chug around, gotta say.
Blaze the Cat here, and Queen. Welcome to World 4. We are doing Ant Trooper Hill. This level is pretty easy, so we're gonna get some stamps and we're gonna get some stars. Yep, this level is so this is easy, but sometimes it's hard to find the stars for those who haven't played this level before. But this one should be easy. Yeah, it is easy because, all you gotta do is fucking stamp the stars. And then you gotta hit those little ant thingies. Yeah. They're ants, you know? Yeah, I know. Oh. There it is. Yeah. Oh man, everyone, I've been busy. So busy. So, it's okay. We're busy sometimes. There are days where we have to take a break, you know? You're tired already? I'm sorry, it's just, all the hard work we've been doing, and I haven't even got a chance to take a nap. So, next time I'll do. Yeah, it's okay to take a nap. Oh my god. Gotta be careful with those ants. Alright, we got a green star. Let's go to the finish line. Okay, careful. Oh, bouncy. Bingo! We made it to the finish line. Whoop! We did it! Woo! Wow, that was easy. Alright, so we made it past level 1 of World 4. Okay? Now, these levels is going to get super harder, so let's be prepared. Level 2 of World 4 is coming soon, so hope you guys get ready. Alright, and that's all for this video for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys like this video. Like and subscribe, and peace out. And one love. One love.